Hello everyone, I'm Harshu and welcome back to my channel Food by Harshu, and today we are preparing very popular Indo-Chinese dish in restaurants which is chili paneer. So let's start. So first we'll see what are the ingredients we require. So here I have taken 250 grams of paneer cut in cubes. You can cut it according to you. Then I have taken red chili powder. This is for color, not spicy. 3 tablespoon cornstarch, 2 tablespoon maida or all-purpose flour, half teaspoon black pepper powder and salt according to your taste, half glass of water of mixing the marination, and some oil for seasoning and frying. You can take any oil. Now ingredients for chili seasoning. I have taken one capsicum cut in dice size. Same size I have cut one onion. 2 to 3 spring onion finely chopped. 2 to 3 tablespoon ginger garlic finely chopped. 1 to 2 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. This is for color only. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon hot sauce optional. 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup. 2 green chili finely chopped. Salt to taste. Half glass of water. 1 teaspoon lime juice, 1 teaspoon honey and 1 teaspoon soy sauce. All for frying. So now let's start the paneer marination. So we are adding in paneer 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. This is for color only. This is not at all spicy. If you want spicy red chili powder, you can add that also. Now we are adding half tablespoon of black pepper powder and half teaspoon of salt. You can adjust according to your taste. Mix it well and we'll keep this aside 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll mix 2 tablespoon maida and 3 tablespoon cornstarch. We are adding some black pepper powder also for little bit spice. If you want to avoid it, you can avoid it. And some salt. Mix it well and slowly add water. We want lump-free paste. Now we'll add this paste to the paneer and we'll mix it well. Nicely coated all sides. Now paneer is nicely coated. It's ready for deep frying. Now for deep frying, heat oil on medium heat and add the paneer. You can also shallow fry it if you don't like deep fried. Slowly add the paneer and make sure the flame should be medium heat or otherwise paneer will burn. Golden brown and crisp both sides. It will take around 8 to 10 minutes. Now paneer is ready. Drain off the excess oil and keep the paneer aside. It will look like this. Now let's start the seasoning. Seasoning, in a large pan or kadhai, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger and garlic. Add 1 diced onion. Next goes into 1 chopped or diced capsicum, green chili, that is optional. If you don't like spicy, don't add green chilies, and 1 tablespoon hot sauce, that's also optional. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. You can adjust according to you also. It will give more tangy and sweet taste. Now we are adding half tablespoon of black pepper powder and mix it well. Next we are adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now take 2 tablespoons of cornflour and add some water and make a fine paste. We are making this for thickness. And now add 1 tablespoon red chili powder. This is not spicy, this is for color only because we want the sharp red color. And add that to the seasoning and mix it well. Now you can see the sauce is thick. Cook it for some time. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon honey because we add so much spice in this. We want a little bit sweet also. You can avoid if you want. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon lemon juice because we want sweet, tangy taste. Now you can add some water because it will get more dry. I'm adding more water, but you can adjust according to your choice if you want dry or more thick. Now I'm adding some salt, adjust to your taste. And I'm taking 2 tablespoons of spring onion, finely chopped. Now mix it well. It's time to add the fried paneer pieces. Mix everything well together and cook it for 2 more minutes. This looks beautiful and perfectly red color. If you want to add more color, you can add more, but we have added red chili powder because of the color. Our paneer chili is ready. Enjoy. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And tap the bell icon so you will be notified for all the videos. See you next time. Thank you so much.